Hello guys! Today, I am here for an anti-Valentine makeup tutorial. This one is for all of you guys who are single and not ready to mingle. So I just want to play with these colors using my Urban JK palette. It's called Born to be Run. So let's forget about boyfriends. It's time to play with makeup. So let's start! Let's start using my primer from 3&A. It's really important to put primer first before the foundation to improve the coverage and for the foundation to last. It's also an extra layer between our skin and makeup. Next is the foundation. I'm using this Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I really love the coverage and it's so perfect for me. Let's highlight the face using this concealer from Deborah Dress Me Perfect. It helps also to hide some blemishes and imperfections on my skin. I'm using this Isadora Mineral Compact Powder to set the foundation. And now is the contouring part. You can just skip this part if you are not into this contouring thing. I'm using this Contour Duo palette from Essence. I love contouring because it creates appearance of higher cheekbones and define the structure of my face. And of course, don't forget to contour the nose. For the blush, I will use my Go Blush from Character. I'm gonna choose this color right here in the middle. Let's go into this palette from Urban Decay. I'm gonna go in with the color called Reef. I'm gonna put this into crease and just keep on coming back and forth. Make sure you go all the way up to your inner crease. And I'm gonna deepen this color using the Baja and focusing mainly in the crease. I will put concealer for a bit of cut crease. For the lid, I will go for the Ignite color. For the lower lash line, I'll go for this punk color. I will add a little drama to my eyes using my Rimmel liquid eyeliner. I will add this highlighter from Wet n Wild to add some glow in my face. For the lipstick, I'm gonna use this lipstick from MAC under the shade of Rose Taupe for a bit of bumpy look. I will add false eyelashes to complete the look. I just decided to add this punk color from the same palette, focusing in the outer corner of my eye. And here is my final look. This makeup is inspired by, I don't know actually. It's just a bit of bumpy look because of the dark lipstick. And for all of you guys who are anti-Valentine, this look is so perfect for you. If you learned something today, don't forget to hit like, and if you are new to my channel, click subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will get updated for my new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye!